It's not as bad here today now, but last night was a different story.
I know you can't see anything, but you can probably hear the wind and rain, so I think it's time to go grab the cats. Ow! Alright, we can't go through the back because it's all flooded. It's starting to flood out the front here too, so we're gonna have to be quick. I'm sorry you can't really see anything, but...
It's a gate shot.
yeah. Alright, let's get the babies.
Let's
Can
get the jackpot. Hold this. Mum, I'll
Wait,
get
you
through. I'll
hold
get
it.
through.
No, no,
I need to get through. I need to get through.
Alright. Where are we? Come on, Ranger. Come on. Come here, bud. Oh, this is full of water. Come on, buddy. Ugh. Come on. And you know what? Do I have to take you in the box? Come on. Come on, big boy. Ugh. I know, buddy.
Oh, buddy.
Alright, who else? Vixen? You coming in? Come on, princess.
3 left.
Royce, move. I'm gonna get Hondo. Watch out, buddy boy.
How are you going to get him?
Where'd he go?
What are you trying to do?
Come on, Hondo. I'm gonna grab him. Come on, JJ, you're next. I know you don't like me, but I don't want you to stay out here by yourself. Come on, buddy. Come on. The flooding in the backyard's starting to go down. Although it's still raining, so it'll probably pick up again soon. It's meant to finish today, but we'll see.